Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Hook and Happy, and today I'm going to show you how I start a crochet project with a magic ring. Today I'm going to be using my 10mm crochet hook to go with my super chunky yarn. So let's begin. A magic ring is basically an open slip knot, so I'm going to show you how I make my slip knot first. Leaving a long tail, hold the yarn firmly between your thumb and third finger. Then wrap the yarn over your first finger, under your second finger, then cross it over and bring it back down to hold. You should have an X underneath and parallel lines on the top. Insert your hook under the right one and hook the left one out. Then pull it tight to close. And that's your slip knot. But we're making a magic ring, so let's undo that and start again. Wrap the yarn over, under, over and down. Hook under the right and pull out the left and stop. This time, instead of pulling it tight, I'm going to take my fingers out and then secure it with a chain stitch, leaving my magic ring open and ready to crochet into. So we put the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. That's one chain stitch. In this pattern, I need 4 chain stitches, so I'm going to do 3 more. Now I'm ready to work the rest of this round into the magic ring. My next stitch is a double crochet, so yarn over, insert hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and that's 1 double crochet stitch into the magic ring. Then I'm chaining 1 and I'm making another double crochet stitch right into that magic ring. You will notice that I'm holding on to the ring itself with my left hand, and sometimes even the stitches that I have already made. I don't want to pull on the tail end too soon because that will close the ring. Now I have completed all the stitches for this round, I'm ready to close the ring. I'm pulling on the tail end really firmly until the gap in the middle is completely closed. Now I can join the start to the finish to complete the round. The magic ring is also known as a magic circle or a magic loop. It's a really useful alternative to a ring of chain stitches if you want a really polished and professional look, but it's really important to secure it well to make sure that it doesn't come undone. For this pattern, I show you how to do that in my invisible join tutorial, which you can find on my channel. I really hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more crochet tips and tutorials from me. Thanks for watching!